Hi, in this lesson I will show you how to manage your duplication entries in Excel. We add two methods, one VBA and one without VBA. Okay, let's do it. This is a VBA method. When you type any duplication, showing you this type of the SMS, and first of all, this find the row number, which row number is already have a name, row number and row number 10. I add. Also, you want to enter duplicate if you know, then it's the move. Then I press again. Yes, then it keep this duplicate. This is make for using VBA, and this is the of the VBA codes. First, I will understand this VBA codes. This is the sources code, and I paste this link, the video description. You copy this sources code and download this file and use. Here is the code explanations. First, add these variables to define the variables. Second, I if insect targets range A is nothing, then exits up. For example, if the entire column is A is a nothing, then don't do anything. Here I find the last row lng equal to cells dot row counts and column A dot end xlf dot row. lng is our last row. On error, resume next. Skip any error and go to the next slide. Here I use the if condition. If worksheet function count if the range a to a as lng. Lng means last row. For example, we data have a 500 row, then it's a 500 a 500 a2 to a 500 and targets greater than 1, then exits up. If not have a 2 time or 3 time data, then exits. If worksheet function, there I use the same function and it's greater than 1, str equal to empty. Here I used the find value, set range, the same range, and the lng, the last row, the same. Find excel value. If not range is nothing, otherwise address dot range dot, and here you use the do loop. The next section we add str equal to str as range. This is a message box. Message box is appear on your that range and find the RNG address, find the row number of finding values. This is a loop. This is a message box. The final equal to message box. First assign the row numbers, records, and str vb serve. Do you want to or duplicate? Here vb yes no button. If final vb yes, if you press the yes button, then message box record is completed. So otherwise, if you press the no buttons, vb no, then target dot clear. For example, in here time, and when you press the yes, keep this record. When I again press the line, if you click the no, then the current cell is the blank. Okay, this is the part one to using the VB. This is the second part, using without VB. For example, when I press the Mia, then this record is already exist, showing the duplicate error, and this is a note add any. Okay, understand this without VBA code. First of all, select the range of entire column, and then click the data validation, and just choose the custom. Here I add the count if formula. I show you formula in the this codes data validation. Here I use the count if the column C, entire column C and C, and here I use the C1 by mistake 7 equal to 1. Then this is the alert. Show this alert. The style is a stop. When you change any style, so easily change the style. So this box, the title of the duplicate error, this code is already. This is a simple codes you are doing. If you want to the without VBA, just use that. You want to this type of the function already showing the all of sources code with the explanation. You copy your codes and paste your workbook. Change this reference. Here is a range. You just if you have a data in B column and C column, you just change the. Okay, I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my